Today we are making green chicken sauté with Spicytude Garam Masala. To start, we'll add mint, cilantro, ginger, garlic, green chillies, yogurt and blend it into a smooth paste. To marinate the chicken, we'll add oil, turmeric, paprika, salt, the green paste and then Spicytude Garam Masala. Mix this well and let it sit for an hour at least in the fridge. Slice some onion. Heat the pan over medium heat. Add oil. Fry onion until the edges are brown and then add the chicken. Sauté the chicken until it's cooked for 25 minutes. Serve it with your choice of rice. Thank you for watching.